How to block background data for specific apps on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can block background data for specific apps on Android. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's just jump right into it. So to block your background data for specific apps, first go to your settings. On your settings, go to apps. Simply select an app first. So let's say I'm going to select LinkedIn. And after you're here, you can find options such as mobile data uses. So after you're there, you can see the background data option. Turn it off. After you turn it off, now it will no longer be able to use your mobile data in the background. And that's how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.